Number 1. TruckClaws. Let's start with the TruckClaws system. It allows you to drive in June and snow drifts without worrying about getting stuck. The system is compatible with any vehicle as long as there's at least 6.4 centimeters of clearance between the wheel and the arch. The buyer also needs to remember how much the car weighs. If it's less than 13.6 tons, the regular version of TruckClaws will do. But if it's more, they should consider the reinforced version. The system is made of aircraft-grade aluminum to ensure reliability and lightness. Number 2. Chemical Guys Chenille Premium Scratch-Free Microfiber. The Chemical Guys Chenille Microfiber Wash Mitt boasts several outstanding features. It is crafted from premium chenille microfiber, which is exceptionally soft and absorbent, guaranteeing a gentle yet highly effective cleaning experience. This mitt is designed to be scratch-free, safeguarding your vehicle's paint from potential damage or swirl marks. Its larger size allows for quicker and more efficient cleaning, ensuring thorough dirt and debris removal. Durability is a hallmark of this mitt, making it a cost-effective choice, as it can be reused for numerous car washes. With its elastic cuff, it offers a secure and comfortable fit on your hand, facilitating a confident and thorough cleaning process. Number 3. BTW. Better Than Wheels is a hubcap inspired from sport cars, made to improve any car's appearance. The BTW has a built-in sports brake that looks and feels real. The caliper is stationary while everything else only rotates with the wheel on the car. Because it is installed on the top of your tire, the size of the wheel won't matter. Number 4. Aco Power TesFridge. https www.acopower.com Pages TesFridge. A portable freezer specially designed for Tesla Model Y and Model 3 subtrunk. It has an adjustable temperature from 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It offers practical storage without the need for ice, providing 20 liters and 35 liters capacities. Say goodbye to wasted space and hello to efficient cooling. Number 5. Dolly Hitch. https www.kickstarter.com Projects 1911932710 The Dolly Hitch taking your cargo needs to the next level. The Dolly Hitch provides a secure and stable platform for attaching different types of cargo carriers, bike racks, and other accessories. It is designed with versatility in mind, enabling users to customize their vehicle hitch to suit any hauling need. The modular design allows for easy attachment and detachment, making it a breeze to switch out accessories as needed. Number 6. Cobra Smart Dash Cam. Swap out your regular rear-view mirror for this high-tech version, and you'll feel like you've been teleported to the future. The smart rear-view mirror comes with a plethora of features, including a front and rear camera, navigation directions, and a music finder to help you set the perfect road trip soundtrack. With the smart rear-view mirror, it's like you've got your own car butler. No more fumbling for directions, music, or even a second set of eyes. Upgrade to the year 3000 with the smart rear-view mirror. Number 7. Multifunctional non-slip pad. Say goodbye to fumbling for your valuables when you're on the go. This anti-slip car dash grip pad is the perfect solution for keeping your items secure and within reach. The non-stick surface keeps everything from your key fobs and phones to coins and other important items safe and secure, even when you make sudden stops. So free up your cup holders and keep your valuables close at hand with this handy car dashboard accessory. Number 8. Chemical Foaming Citrus. The Chemical Guys Whole 315 Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning Kit offers a comprehensive solution for maintaining your car's interior. It is specifically designed to provide efficient stain removal, making it easy to tackle tough spills and blemishes. The kit includes specialized cleaning products, a scrubbing brush, and an applicator, ensuring that you have the tools needed for thorough cleaning. It is user-friendly with clear instructions, making it accessible to car owners of all experience levels. By using this kit, you can effectively eliminate odors, extend your car interior's lifespan, and keep it looking and smelling fresh. Number 9. Carhart seat gear. Is it winter? Heated. Car seat covers are the answer to your cold weather woes. Your butt and back will be thanking you for these cozy car seats. No more shivering in your car. Compatible with any kind of car. These heated car seat covers heat up in seconds to your desired temperature setting, so you can stay comfy no matter how cold it is outside. Number 10. Canopy Smart Camera. Meet Canopy, the first smart security camera for your car, protecting your equipment anytime, from anywhere. Canopy monitors your cargo and alerts you of suspicious activity, like having an extra set of eyes in the back of your truck. Stay in the know with real-time alerts, specifically tailored for truck bed monitoring. Canopy provides speed and reliability to ensure nothing goes unnoticed. Number 11. Fosmon Air Purifier. The Fosmon Smart Car. Air Purifier is a feature-rich device for enhancing the air quality in your vehicle. It employs advanced air purification technology to effectively remove pollutants, allergens, and odors from the car's interior. With adjustable fan speeds and modes, users can tailor the purification settings to their preferences. The integration of voice assistants offers convenient hands-free control, making it a versatile addition to the car's ecosystem. This compact air purifier is designed to seamlessly fit within the car's interior, ensuring unobtrusive functionality and continuous purification powered by the vehicle's electrical system. Number 12. Striker Parking Sensor. The Striker. Adjustable garage. Parking sensor is a valuable addition for any garage, offering several key features. This device is highly adjustable, allowing users to set their preferred parking distance, which helps prevent accidental collisions. It employs ultrasonic sensors that provide real-time distance feedback, enhancing accuracy during parking. Visual and audible alerts make it easy for drivers to judge their parking proximity with the wall, ensuring safety and precision. Installation is straightforward, and the device can be customized to accommodate various garage layouts, offering peace of mind and convenience to users. Number 13. Norshire Tire Inflator. No matter what you're trying to inflate, this battery-powered portable air compressor by Norshire will be a great addition to anyone's car or tool drawer. Quickly inflate any tires with this nifty gadget. Best of all, it features automatic stop and can be recharged with USB. Number 14. Amazon Basics Escape Tool. The Amazon Basics Emergency Escape Tool offers several essential features for car safety. It is equipped with a sturdy window breaker, allowing quick and efficient window shattering for emergency exits in the event of accidents. The built-in seatbelt cutter provides a safe and rapid means of freeing oneself from seat restraints in critical situations. Its compact and portable design ensures easy storage in the car, ensuring immediate accessibility when needed. The safety hammer-like structure of the tool allows for a secure and effective grip during high-stress moments. Additionally, its versatility extends beyond car emergencies, making it a valuable safety tool for both automotive and home use. Number 15. Red BTR Sputnik. Portable electric car winch Sputnik of the City series for active road travelers. Recommended for use on cars, crossovers, and ATVs and motorcycles. Operates from the voltage of the car's onboard network of 12 volts. For ease of storage and use, the Sputnik portable winch is supplied in a strong steel box case. The box is not afraid of mechanical impact and is able to withstand an adult. The package includes a 5mm synthetic cable, which reduces its weight and increases ease of use. The winch is controlled using a wired and wireless remote control with a range of up to 30 meters. These 15 game-changing car gadgets can transform your driving experience and enhance safety. From smart parking sensors to advanced air purifiers, these tools offer convenience and innovation. We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to stay updated on the latest automotive advancements. Your feedback matters as we continue to explore the world of car technology. Thanks for watching.